Here's a question for you. Why should you get a cloud-based accounting solution? I mean, let's think about it. It's so much easier maybe just to download a bit of software, install the software, go make sure that software is compatible, maybe download some updates, maybe have the updates going forward, and then have a desktop solution ready and waiting to do your accounting needs. Now I think about it, that's not easy at all, right? And that's what this video is all about. Why should you consider maybe moving from a desktop solution to do your bookkeeping to a cloud solution? If you're intrigued, this video is for you. Hello, my name is Aaron Patrick. I am a chartered accountant, a certified UK trainer with fancy new logo, that QuickBooks chap on the internet, head of accounts at Boffix, and also your friendly podcaster who goes live 8:30 a.m. every single Monday morning for Ask the Accountant. Now today's video is dead straightforward. Why should you have a cloud-based accounting solution? Why put your data in the cloud and not have it installed on your computer? Well, it's actually really straightforward. First and foremost, by far the most important bit that you get out of it is the fact that you will have access to that data wherever you are, as long as you've got an active internet connection. Think about it, right? Think how useful that could be. You don't have to have that one dedicated computer that's always having to have updates, always having to have access, and you then don't have to figure out how you're going to get access to that computer, worrying about if the data is going to go problematic, worrying about if there's going to be issues with getting access to it, worrying about how the subscription's going to be going forward. If you have a cloud-based solution, then you can have access to it at any point. And on pretty much any device. Mobile phones, check, you can get access to QuickBooks Online. iPads, check, you can get access to QuickBooks Online. Obviously computers, access to it. Chromebooks, access. Android tablets, access. VR units, access. Effectively, if the device itself has access to the internet, then you will have access to your own software. And that becomes so important. Not only do you get multiple places to have access, but you can have multiple team members have access to it as well. So maybe you've got someone who just wants to go in and raise sales invoices on your behalf. Yep, give them access to that. And you can make sure they can't see anything else as well. And what about your accountant? Let them have access. Then they can go in, grab the data they need, and be able to make sure that you get the accounts you deserve. And it makes things so much easier. Cloud accounting is all about making sure that you have access to this data whenever you need it and where you are. And just having it on your mobile phone can be a complete game changer. The idea that I can quickly send an invoice, quickly go and reconcile my account, quickly go in and maybe see if I can afford that new piece of hardware that I'm looking to get, all from your little mobile phone, is magical. My other big benefit from going cloud accounting is the app ecosystem that comes with it. When you have an app ecosystem, means that you have access to various different elements. You can connect your eBay store to QuickBooks. You can connect your till system to QuickBooks, like I've got behind me there. You can go and add pretty much anything you can think of to QuickBooks Online. Going to www.apps.com means that you can see all of those apps that are available to connect. And it means you can do so much more with your QuickBooks software. Connecting directly to those functionality will just make your life so much easier. And I, for one, love it. And speaking of connecting data, by far the most important bit is the fact that you will have the opportunity to connect your bank directly to QuickBooks Online as well. Imagine the idea, right? You go and pay for something or you receive some money and that information automatically appears in QuickBooks for you to be able to categorize it accordingly. Connecting your bank is huge. It's one of the most important and beneficial parts of being able to get access and get real-time information into your business. Connecting that bank account means that information just flows through beautifully. And I can't stress enough the importance of connecting your bank account to QuickBooks Online to be able to make sure that you get access to your data and make your life easier in being able to put that data into QuickBooks Online. The other big thing is the updates that come with it. You are going to see updates galore and it will just happen instantaneously. No having to install updates and redo your registry and having to update to this point to then update to that one and jump through this hoop and everything else. You'll just log in and you'll have a different screen sometimes than you had before. And that's for your benefit. Number one, it keeps you compliant. Making tax digital, for example, well, that was automatically added to QuickBooks Online. Making tax digital for ITSA, which is the newest one that's going to come out later down the years, well, that'll automatically be appearing in QuickBooks Online for you, right? You haven't to do anything else. Any changes in compliance can be automatically included in QuickBooks, and any changes that are going to make your life easier will also automatically appear in QuickBooks as well. And my final reason why QuickBooks Online and going cloud-based is going to be so important to you and your business is because of the amount of information out there, amount of people out there giving you support. There's obviously this channel, the QuickBooks Chap. I pretty much have done zero information on how to get the best out of QuickBooks Desktop, but I have hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of videos on how you can make the most out of QuickBooks Online. So you're gonna get the support. And the best thing is about the support is it's actually really easy to support people when they're on QuickBooks Online. You've got the videos here, or you can go to our website, book in with one of our experts, and we can share screens with you and see exactly what your problems are, diagnose your issues, figure out a solution for you, and make sure that you are getting the best out of QuickBooks Online. Remember I said at the beginning that I was a certified UK trainer for QuickBooks? That means I've been trained by QuickBooks themselves to deliver training on QuickBooks, meaning that I know QuickBooks inside out, and so do all my experts as well. And we can only offer the solution of training remotely because it's all in the browser. We can see what you can see what we can see. We can go in and make any adjustments in the back end if we need to. As experts, we can clean things up for you and make sure that your books are as tidy and as clean as they possibly can be. I promise you, QuickBooks Online has got some big updates coming as well. I'm not allowed to tell you about all of them, but when I am, I can't wait to make sure that you know all about them. So why not use this opportunity to press the subscribe button, get yourself liking this channel, and that way you'll know exactly what's going to happen in the future of QuickBooks Online. There we have it. Going to a cloud-based solution is definitely the best way forward for your business. Feature-wise, there's pretty much nothing that QuickBooks Online can't do these days, but what it can do is make it quicker and easier and more accessible for you and your business. And that's definitely the best scenario all around. My name's been Aaron Patrick. Use the comment section below to let us know if there's anything that we can tell you about or help you with QuickBooks Online. Let us know some questions you may have about QuickBooks Online and how it works. And the idea is we'll do a follow-up video later down the line. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to let us know if there's any comments that you need, and I'll see you in a future video. Bye for now.